Professional Photoshop editing is built on one simple principle: every detail matters. The difference between an ordinary design and a professionally refined design is often found in details so small that most people never consciously notice them. Perfect typography, balanced spacing, consistent alignment, and carefully refined visual elements all work together to create a polished final result. Our work begins long before any editing tools are used. Every project starts with careful observation. We study the overall design, analyze the typography, examine the layout, inspect spacing, evaluate colors, review textures, observe lighting, and understand the visual style of the composition. Only after understanding the complete design do we begin the refinement process. One of the most specialized skills in Photoshop is professional font matching. Every typeface has unique characteristics: letter proportions, stroke thickness, corner shapes, curves, spacing, height, and overall rhythm all contribute to the appearance of a font. Finding a close visual match requires careful comparison and a trained eye for detail. Instead of relying entirely on automated tools, we manually compare individual characters, examining every letter one by one. Small differences in spacing, proportions, or alignment can significantly affect the overall appearance. That is why each adjustment is performed with patience and precision. Typography refinement is equally important. Every line of text should feel balanced within the design. Character spacing, word spacing, line spacing, positioning, alignment, and proportions are refined repeatedly until the typography appears completely natural. These adjustments may only involve a few pixels, yet they can dramatically improve the overall quality of the design. Professional editing is never about making obvious changes. The objective is to preserve visual harmony while improving consistency throughout the entire composition. Every refined element should blend naturally into the existing layout, maintaining the original style without drawing unnecessary attention. Visual consistency plays a major role in achieving professional quality results. Colors must remain balanced, shadows should transition naturally, highlights must appear realistic, gradients need smooth blending, while textures should maintain their original appearance. Every surrounding element is carefully considered, so the final design feels cohesive and visually balanced. Experience teaches that every project presents unique challenges. Some designs feature modern typography with clean geometric shapes. Others include decorative lettering with intricate details. Every project requires a different approach, careful observation, and thoughtful refinement to preserve the original artistic style. Patience is one of the most valuable tools in professional Photoshop editing. Rather than rushing through a project, we carefully inspect every section of the design. We zoom in to evaluate fine details, and zoom out to confirm the overall balance of the composition. This process helps identify even the smallest inconsistencies before the work is completed. Attention to detail extends beyond typography. Layout balance, visual hierarchy, spacing between design elements, color relationships, and overall composition all contribute to the finished appearance. Every adjustment is made with the goal of maintaining harmony throughout the design. Professional quality is achieved through consistency. Every project follows a structured workflow that emphasizes careful observation, precise refinement, multiple quality reviews, and continuous attention to detail. This process helps ensure that every completed design maintains a clean, polished, and professional appearance. Creative refinement is both a technical process and an artistic one. It combines design knowledge, typography expertise, visual analysis, and years of practical experience. Every decision is guided by the goal of preserving the beauty and balance of the original composition while enhancing its overall quality. Before every project is completed, we perform a detailed quality review. Typography, spacing, alignment, proportions, textures, gradients, colors, and overall visual harmony are carefully examined. Only after every element meets our quality standards is the project considered ready. Our philosophy is simple. Excellence is created through patience, precision, consistency, and respect for every small detail. Whether a project is simple or highly detailed, we approach every design with the same dedication to quality and craftsmanship. If you're looking for professional Photoshop editing with accurate font matching, refined typography, exceptional attention to detail, and visually consistent results, we're here to help. Every project receives the care, precision, and commitment required to achieve a polished and professional finish. Thank you for listening. For professional Photoshop editing services, feel free to contact us.